Hi, what's up babes? How are you? Comment down below how you are. If you're asking me, I'm doing well. I'm happy that it's freaking sunny outside because here in LA it's been gloomy for who knows how long. But I love how it's sunny on a day that I had to go to work. And today is kind of exciting, kind of goes with the mood, the vibe with it, having some sunshine outside, but it is a Bali Body review. It's a totally complete, out there, straight up, you know, the whole ordeal review. I'm not going to go and beat around the bush. I'm not going to lie to you guys. This is, I mean, heads up though, like this is a company and a brand and their products are absolutely to die for and they're amazing. And I'm not just saying that. I'm not even getting paid for this video. So it is a collaboration, but there's no payment involved if that's going to help you figure this all out. And girl is thirsty. Like, am I supposed to like block out the label in this video? Don't know, but hydration, ladies and gentlemen. You've probably seen Bali Body before, regardless if it's on someone's YouTube video or probably more likely on Instagram. Let me just, I haven't pulled up, or I did, okay. So, this is the, if it's even gonna focus. There is their Instagram. It is a, it's a tanning brand. They have a tanning range. They do now have like fake tanner and like a face toner for your face. I have not tried out either of those, but based on the reviews I've seen, they look amazing. Especially the face tanner, because it's like a toner, so it's very gradual and it's very natural. But that goes hand in hand with all their products. Everything's, you know, natural ingredients. It's not just, you know, makeup, like, because they do have like a BB cream, but it's also not just sunscreen or suntan oil. It's also like skincare, and it's all nourishing and hydrating, and it makes y'all glowy like we're gonna be Beyonce, okay? Over here rambling, and I feel like if my roommate's home right now, she's probably like, who is this girl talking to? But hopefully by now, or she will find out that it's for a video. But let's get straight into it. Let's start off with the bundle. They have bundles. If you don't know what product you want to get, or if you want to just try them all out pretty much, they got bundles for you, okay? So this one, I believe I got the, hold it. I got the Golden Traveler bundle. So it is one that you get, okay, well, first off, you know, it comes in this cute bag that you can reuse, put your makeup in it, keep your Bali Body stuff in it, you name it, girl or boy. So, you get a sunscreen. So this is a moisturizing sunscreen. I know that they do advertise that it doesn't, like, even their lotion as well, which I will show you, does not leave like a white cast, which is perfect because, you know, when you hate when you put on like sunscreen and I always think about when I'm a kid and you put it all over you, it's all over your face, it's all over your body, and you look like Casper the Ghost. No ma'am, they do not do that with these, okay? So it comes in this cute packaging. Like I said, you've probably seen it on Instagram, but this is her. This is the moisturizing sunscreen. It is SPF 15, and it's Protect, Hydrate, and Glow. Like I've already told you that already. And like I said, they use all natural like ingredients. This is a non-greasy but hydration lotion. English! Hydrating lotion. It does have vitamin E to soothe the skin. And obviously it protects you from those UVB rays, but also UVA. I'm not too sure what that is. Is that like a blonde moment? But I know I've heard of it. I know it's like one of those things that you should protect your skin from. On to the next thing that's in there. Here is the moisturizing lotion. This is the Luxe lotion, so it's very hydrating. It's good if you want to, you know, firm up your skin and repair like dry skin, or if you're peeling or whatever. But this is a lotion, so there's no SPF in it. Obviously, it's just like a lotion. Like this one, as well as to the sunscreen, has vitamin E, and it's perfect for all skin types, regardless if you have oily skin, dry skin, bumpy skin, smooth skin, you name it. We all have different skin types, whatever. I haven't tried this on my face, but I'm pretty sure you can use it on your face. It doesn't advertise that. I don't know about all the products. I know that this one's vegan friendly. It says it right here. It's only tested on Bali Body babes. I feel so freaking awkward doing all of this, but it is honestly so nice. It is so smooth. Can we take a moment? I was gonna say soothing and smoothing at the same time, smoothing, whatever. But here is her. She's amazing. So the next thing that I'm gonna pull out is the Kokoba, whatever, tanning oil. This one actually does not have any SPF in it. I do not recommend just using this, okay? This is meant for you to layer on top of sunscreen. So I wouldn't like mix two oils together, like one that has SPF and one doesn't. I would use like a spray sunscreen or a lotion sunscreen, aka you can use this bad boy and these two together. So you'd obviously put on this first, the sunscreen lotion that has SPF 15 in it, and then layer on top with the oil. So this one, in the bundle, you can actually choose like which oil you would like. I know obviously this is an option, the Kokoba Tanning Oil, which smells like chocolate, it looks like chocolate. It gives you a nice little tint after you put it on because it's actually like brown. And then the last thing in the bundle would be the BB cream. So this is more of like their makeup side. So it is a BB cream. This also does have SPF 15 in it as well, so that's perfect for the face. It is pretty much makeup, like a foundation mixed in with skincare like ingredients and benefits and everything. Like, this is to protect and correct. It even says it right there, ladies and gentlemen, if it will focus. I have to do that whole thing. It's like this. Is it working? This one I know that they have multiple shades of. I got it in, when did I get this in? Natural. So I think there is like 4 shades. I think they have like fair, light, natural, tan, and I think this is, I got natural, and I'm actually wearing it right now. If you're curious, I don't know if it's like too bright from my window, but I don't have the darkest skin, especially my face. My face rarely actually tans. I'm not the palest right now, but I am pretty light, so if you're like me, the shade natural would work perfectly for you. It's very nice, it's very glowy, very dewy. It's pretty much like skin but better, if that makes any sense. Like, it's gonna cover up any like that redness or blemishes that you have. Obviously not like a heavy foundation, but it does do the job. And it just like, mine's like almost gone, to be honest. Like, I absolutely have been using it every day for like, I think over a month now. And it's something that's buildable. So if you do want more coverage, then you can build it up and put it on as layers. Or if you just want like a quick little thing, you whack it on and you're good. You don't even need like a brush or like a beauty blender to apply this. I mean, if you don't want to get your hands dirty, or if you want to get up in there, then do so. But you can honestly, I still wear like moisturizer and like serum, and I'll put that on, and then I will put this on with my hands and fingers and just rub it all in. And I whacked on a little bit of eyebrow pencil and mascara, and I used like some random highlighter and I put it there. And you don't even need to use highlighter. It's already glowy, but I've been wearing this all day. I've had this on for, I want to say like 7 hours already, and I have not touched it up or anything like that, and it's amazing. And the ingredients in here definitely, like, I know it has like marine collagen, it has like, I can never pronounce it, but it's like hychloric acid or whatever, which I have it in one of my like body lotions that aren't Bali Body, and it's very like hydrating, and I know it sounds like it would be because hychloric or whatever acid. No, if I saw that, I wouldn't be like, oh, that's hydrating, but no, it helps with hydration, ladies and gentlemen. I need to remember saying gentlemen. I have not had any problems or complications with like it burning my face or causing any redness, irritations, or pimples or breakouts, and I have pretty sensitive skin, especially on my face, and I've been good. It's treated me very well. I forget to mention the price. So the price for that bundle, so you get 4 items. It is $99.95 US, and it does allow you to get free shipping on their website. I know you might think that sounds pricey, but to think about it, all these products are natural, they're vegan, they're obviously not animal tested. If they're vegan, they're not. They're not just like one of those Instagram things that you see and you're like, okay, let me spend all this money, and then it's complete shit. No, not at all. And I wouldn't tell you guys this. I've even used Bali Body before, even not during a collab or not getting sent the items. Like, I bought some of my own money. I have friends who actually, I want to say I have like a friend who's pretty much an influencer, and she has like her own bikini line, and she first got sent these items before, and I used them during a shoot with her because we were shooting for her bikini line. And I was like, where did you get these? And that's how I first found out about these. And I fell in love with them, obviously word of mouth through her and everything like that. Then I obviously started to see them more and more on Instagram, and honestly, life-changing. And keeping on to the whole tanning oil, this is very sticky and oily because I've used it. Obviously, this is an honest review, but I've used this before and I've ran out. This one is their normal, like their original, like tanning body oil. This one, like I said earlier, does have SPF 15. So this is like the cacao one, but it doesn't obviously have that tint to it. And that one, I believe, gives me, from the, I've used both of them even recently, and that one definitely gives me more of a darker, like, tan. This one's good for everyday normal tanning, but if I really need to get brown, like, by tomorrow, I'm gonna use the other one. Before I forget the price, this one is $22.95 US. If you do not know like which one you want to get, if you don't want to get the cocoa one, the watermelon one, I believe they have a pineapple one as well, then just get this one. It's a great all-rounder one. You're not going to be disappointed or anything like that. You're still going to get a great, gorgeous, glowy, deep and dark tan with this. Honestly, you just put this on, rub it all in, lay out, and you're going to be a golden little goddess. I was going to say potato, but then that makes you sound like you're fat, but you're not. French fry. A golden French fry. So this is the Hydrating Mist. So the price for this, like you can use this also on your face and your body. This one is actually on sale. So it's now $13.95 and it was $19.95 US, free shipping. This is your after sun hero. Like, if you are a little bit like a tomato, a lobster, a cherry, a pepper, what else is red? I don't know. You get this bad boy and you go, woo! Okay, that got in my mouth, but and I also had this on before. I just sprayed it all over me, but it adds that extra. Obviously, it helps you cool down. You know, like it's kind of like aloe vera in a way. But it just makes you nice and glowy and dewy, and it's kind of like a little refresher, especially if it's hot as, you know, hell outside. Gotta remember this is a YouTube video. It kind of just cools you down instantly, but it also is very nourishing and hydrating to the skin. It has cooling cucumber and peppermint extract. So I know like cucumber is definitely like a cooling thing. I mean, it's a water-based. Is cucumber a fruit or vegetable? I think it's technically a fruit, but I consider it a vegetable. But anyways, you know what I'm trying to say. So it's also good for sensitive skin. Like you're not going to get any pimples or breakouts or redness, or it's not going to burn your face either with this. Like I've used it so many times, but it's very soothing and it's very nice and cool and cold. Like could you just imagine like being out on the beach all day, all crisp and maybe a little bit red or like pink or whatever? You get into the car, or when you get home, you go and you're just like instantly relaxed. Like this is honestly game-changing or life-changing, game-changing, whatever. But I am actually obsessed with this. She is amazing. I use it sometimes before and after my makeup, so I use it before kind of just to prep my skin, make it all nice, gluey, dewy or whatever, but then I will also use it to set my makeup in. So regardless if I'm just doing the BB cream makeup or whatever, or if I'm doing actually like a full-on foundation look, I'm going out with the girls, different drinks, I can still use this to set in my makeup. But also if I want to make my matte makeup kind of have like a little touch of like dewy and glowiness, because I mean it's spring, it's summer, we don't want to be looking like a flat face, you know, we want that extra little twinkle and sparkle and little glow to us, you know. Last but not least, we have the Coconut Lip Balm. Girl has it on right now, but I've been talking, so it's probably like worn off. But anyways, this also has SPF in it. Yeah, SPF 15. This is like the perfect combination of like a balm, but also a gloss. It's perfect for everyday use. You can use it all day long. You can put lipstick on, then apply this, or put this on, and then apply lipstick to make it not like a matte lipstick or whatever. If you got those dry, crusty, cracked lips, girl. Also wear this when you're out tanning, because you do not want your lips to get sunburnt. Because if your lips get sunburnt, they're going to hurt like you know what. They're gonna get all crusty. You don't want them to peel. Let me like, oh, well, look at her. Okay, this has got to focus before I do this. Okay. She is lovely. See, just the perfect kind of texture. I don't even know if that did it justice, but this also is $19.95 US and free shipping. Okay, now I can't get the cap back on. But let's see. Oh, it even says on here for cracked lips day or night. It has those nourishing oils in it, and it's packed with that smooth and dry repair nourishing oils, which I just said. So whatever, we all know the whole shabam or whatever. But honestly, I absolutely love all these products. I am obsessed. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram at Cierra.Mais, so at CIERRA dot, or period, whatever, MAIS. And then also, of course, Bali Body. Just go on there and type in Bali Body, BALIBODY, and you will find those bad babes that I showed you earlier. And honestly, it's not even just like a whole marketing scheme on their Instagram. Like, there are so many inspo pics that I want to take from my Instagram on here. Summer is coming, ladies and gents. And gents. But yes, and if you have any questions about any of these products or whatever else that might interest you or come to your mind, feel free to message me on Instagram or on here or comment down below. And do not forget to subscribe and join the Spicy C, Baby C, whatever you want to call me or call this family. And I hope you guys have a nice, lovely day, morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time it is that you're watching this or wherever you're at. And I hope it's nice and sunny and warm. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks, babes.